We're gonna start doing the series down.
Your hair looks fabulous, man. It looks good.
You know, I used to color it.
I'll tell you right now, on the looking you up Google, it was all dark.
Well, yeah,
Hi friends, welcome back to Riding with Cash. Hope you're well and safe. The first bike Himalayan I got through the pandemic, and since everything got closed and I kept riding, I never got a chance to get a haircut. Now my hair has been cut by the same lady for 30 years. Her name is Farah, and she's in Canada. So I kept riding, hair kept growing, people started giving fun of it, sending messages, sending me emails. Finally, I got a chance to get a haircut, so presenting you the hair rising episode. Have some fun with it. Do comment, do subscribe, and message me back, and we'll share more stories, and I'll continue writing. If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.
Dog got a haircut.